Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. What's up guys? This week we are trying TikTok food trends. I'm on TikTok. If you guys did not know that I'm posting every day, I will leave it down below, but it's at the Icing Artist. I'm obsessed with TikTok these days. And there are so many food trends that I have not tried, so I thought we would try them together. The first one is a fried peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So I've got the video here. Basically, you put peanut butter and jelly in between the sandwich. You cut open this little pocket of peanut butter and jelly, and then you fry it in butter, kind of like a grilled cheese, but with peanut butter and like gooey jelly, and yeah.
That looks so messy.
Okay, but it looks good. He hates messy foods. I'm okay with messy foods because like usually that's like a lot of flavor, but I don't like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. But I love peanut butter and jelly toast. It's a thing. If it's on toast, it's like crunchy and it's hard and it's okay and warm and gooey. If it's on bread and it's just cold, it reminds me of like when I was in grade school and I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich every day for lunch, and then it would get smushed by all of your books in your knapsack, and then it was all like gross tasting and warm, but not like warm gooey, like warm like a funky old sandwich. But this one's gonna be like warm and gooey, it seems like, so it's right up my alley. So I'm gonna put a bit of peanut butter on each side because that's what they did, and then make a little pocket of, I've got blueberry jam. Good? Does that seem like a good amount? So just like you'd make a sandwich, we're supposed to sandwich it together, but they used a cup. I have a circle cutter, so I'm just gonna use a circle cutter. When we push down, it's supposed to seal it. Like a little delicious pocket. Well, that didn't.
But you said they used a cup.
Yeah. I thought the circle cutter would work. Maybe I'll just smush the sides like that. Let's make one more. Let's make one more.
I'm gonna need like a knife and fork if it's as messy as it looked in that video.
No knife and fork. That is not the fun way to eat fun food, Kevin.
I just don't understand what's so fun about having food drip all over you.
We'll use the cup, see if there's any difference. Maybe, because I really gotta push it in. Cup works better. Should use a cup. They use the cup, I'm sorry. Okay, I've got my two little pockets. So we're supposed to heat up the pan and then put some butter in it, or vegan butter I've got here, and then fry it in that, kind of like a grilled cheese. So I bought this cooktop, except it has a really loud fan in it. So if now there is a really loud white noise, annoying noise, it's this, and it's not my fault because I just bought it 5 minutes ago. Oh, that's smoky. Okay. Okay. I'm guessing just like a pancake, we just let it cook.
This is like the most annoying cooktop I've ever seen.
Way to go, Kevin. I set about to get a cooktop and this is what I get. Like, thank you, but like also. Okay, I think it's too hot. I don't know, that's like, it's crisp on the other side. I'm gonna take it off, but this is also like, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Yeah, so that got really, really smoky and those got burnt. First time ever using one of these, so definitely user error. We read the thing. Apparently I had it at its highest heat and that's why the butter melted so quickly. So we've thrown the other ones out and reset. I made 2 more. Let's try this again, hopefully with not as much smoke and things burning. Should I turn it up one? It's not really like cooking on the one side, right? I feel like it needs to go up one. It's like oozing and I'm trying to like reseal it. Okay, I'm flipping. Okay, I think they're done. Yeah, like that's done.
Probably have to unplug it because the power button doesn't seem to work.
Why doesn't it go off with the off switch? That's literally the only thing the off switch is supposed to do. This is not how you should have to turn machines off. They look messy. Okay. Now, when they cut it open in the video, it did ooze, so. I love melted peanut butter. That's so good. I mean, like, it's like what you expect. like a grilled peanut butter and jelly, but like it's good, it's tasty. I feel like it's wasteful with the crust, but I hate crust anyway, so I'm not mad at it. That's really good. I would make that again. It's messy, but it's really tasty. It also is like white bread with full sugar peanut butter and like jam. So I mean, of course it's gonna be tasty, but I really like that. Okay, next one, this strawberry test. If you've been on the internet in the last couple weeks, you may have seen people put strawberries in a bowl with salt, and apparently bugs come crawling out of your strawberries because there's bugs in your strawberries. Whether this happens or not in this test, those videos have made me terrified to eat strawberries. Like, I always have basically strawberries in the fridge. I love strawberries. And I had one the other day, and like I was like grossed out biting into it because I was so terrified that it had bugs in it. And I really wanted to test this to see if there's any bugs. I was like, no, because we have to film it on camera. So I may have eaten bugs to wait and do this with you. Hoping no bugs, so I can keep enjoying strawberries. I bought organic and non-organic because I haven't seen anybody do that test, and I don't know if that would make any difference. Doesn't say how much salt, so we're just gonna get a good dumping in there. And people have like shown really big bugs coming out of their strawberries. What is that? What is that? Like, I don't know if they're faking it and just putting these bugs in the water, but so many people have done these videos, so I feel like it can't be fake, but part of me thinks this is like a conspiracy against me and strawberries. They get it with a couple strawberries, but I feel like I'm gonna do with many strawberries is I can kind of fit. Maybe we'll just like give them a dunk, make sure they're nice and soaked. Not even watching what I'm doing, I'm just,
Is there bugs?
Is that one crawling out?
Where?
Maybe it's just a seed.
How long are you supposed to wait?
5 minutes. Guessing the bugs don't like the salt, so they come out of the salty strawberries. Oh my God.
Do you see one?
Oh my God. It's like a little one. Did we lose him?
He probably went back in.
There was definitely a little bug. Like, it was tiny, but there was a little bug. I'm like both relieved and excited and kind of disappointed because I was really excited to see something happen, but not much really happened. I did see a little bug. There's one here. Yeah, bug. That's a bug. But he's like the tiniest bug. There's a little spider. It's dead, but there is a little spider right there. I don't know if we're supposed to rinse these.
Did you just eat it?
I licked it. I'm gonna rinse it and then see if it stays salty. Just rinse them. Okay, next one. I'd love to say that we're never gonna use this again. However, we're gonna need it again because I'm making pancake cereal, which has been like the biggest food trend on TikTok for like the last week. If you haven't seen it, basically you're making these itty bitty tiny pancakes that you then put into a bowl and you make little pancake cereal. Look at that.
I feel like they just get soggy.
If you did it with milk, some people just do it with like maple syrup and butter and they just eat them like that. Other people do it with milk. I feel like we're gonna try it both ways. So I've already made my pancake batter. I'm just gonna add it into my piping bag so it's easier to plop into this frying pan that apparently we're gonna use again. So itty bitty little pancakes. I'm gonna start flipping. Oh, no. I feel like I'm making food for Barbies. Oh. This thing is turned off. I don't know how many times. It just stops working and keeps doing error codes. So I feel like there's something wrong with this particular machine. This is our fifth round of little minis. Got quite the bowl full happening. This better be the most delicious bowl of food I've ever eaten. My goodness. This is taking a long time. Kevin is not impressed by this one. Is that enough? I think that's enough. Goodness, okay. We're done. So most people I saw put some butter on it, and then like if somebody could just make this for me, I feel like I would love it. I don't think I'll ever physically make it again, but if somebody who love me so much in the world wanted to do something nice for me and make me a special treat because I feel like this is gonna be delicious. A bit of maple syrup.
Is it good? Are you gonna share?
That's better than regular pancakes. I don't know what it is, but it's better. Like, I don't know if it was worth all the time and effort, but like also kind of because it's really good. But I feel like we need to try putting milk in it because that's what they did too. But let's not put milk.
It's gonna ruin it.
I know. I'm gonna put like a little spoonful into a smaller bowl and put milk in that so we don't ruin our nice big bowl of deliciousness. No. You gotta do the little bowl of milk.
The milk's gonna ruin them.
I know. But it's TikTok. Good?
No, I knew it.
My initial reaction was no, because that's so good. But it tastes like, this is more like cereal though. But I feel like if you're gonna go through all that effort, don't ruin it with like milk. When Kevin's done eating the rest of the pancakes, then we'll move on to the next one. So, this one is supposed to make grapes taste like Sour Patch Kids. These are pretty sour grapes though. Basically, you're supposed to cut them in half, squeeze a little lime juice on them, and then they taste like Sour Patch Kids. What?
Why are you doing so many?
What do you mean?
Well, you've got a bowl there that you're putting them in.
Yeah.
Why don't you just try it with one?
Because they had a bowl of them.
So you gotta copy everyone else?
Yeah.
Well, you only need to try it with one to see what it's like.
Kevin, that's not what they did.
With that knife.
Okay. And then they just squeezed lime juice over top. Ooh. Oh, shit. I was gonna say just like a chef. I only lost one.
Now you got sticky lime juice all over the place. Is it all over the floor?
Oh, good.
Yeah.
But this tastes like sugar, and this tastes like sour. So is it more sour? Yes, but the grapes were already sour to begin with. But I feel like if you don't add sugar to it, then it doesn't taste like a Sour Patch Kids. But the whole point of this is that there's no sugar, and then it's like a healthy. Oh, that was a sour one.
Next.
Yeah, next. Do you see carrots or do you see bacon? Because we're making carrot bacon. If you guys haven't seen Tabitha Brown's videos, you are missing out. I've been binge watching her content and I found her through her carrot bacon video and I have been so anxious to try it since then. So I've got my carrots and I've got everything to make my marinade. Now I don't have the amounts for the marinade, but I can see kind of what she sprinkled in and how she sprinkled in. So I've got the ingredients here. The one thing I definitely don't have is an air fryer. I went to 4 stores yesterday trying to find an air fryer so I could really do it as close and authentically as I could. Didn't have an air fryer, couldn't find the air fryer, but look how huge this carrot is. It's a monster. I thought I was gonna have to, when I first saw it, I was like, I think I have to get a special tool to do this, but this is working. Look at that.
Yeah, looks good.
But I'm curious to see, because everyone's looking for those like healthy alternatives or vegan alternatives. So, I mean, meatless, healthy carrot bacon. So I'm gonna make my marinade. Okay, so this is liquid smoke. I've seen things done with liquid smoke before. I've been so tempted to get it, but I haven't. But that's supposed to give it that like smoky flavor, I'm guessing. I don't know how much you're supposed to add in, but I'm guessing not a lot. So I'm gonna do more maple syrup. There's no measurements. She just kind of showed it as it's in the bowl. Then I'm adding in the paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. It's so hard with TikTok stuff if you don't know the measurements, because like, will it taste exactly like it or not? It's like, I don't know. And some salt. And we just mix it up. And this is the concoction. I feel like it's gonna be good. And that's our marinade. And we're just supposed to cover the bacon and let it soak for 2 minutes. I really hope this tastes like bacon.
I'm a little skeptical.
You're a little skeptical?
Yeah.
So it's been like maybe 5 minutes. I left them in a little bit longer. So I feel like they absorbed a lot of the flavor. Since I don't have an air fryer, I looked up instructions for cooking carrot bacon in the oven and it said 400 for like 10-15 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. I wonder if they're gonna like shrivel up. They came out of the oven. I flipped them halfway and I took them out of the oven. I let them cool for like 5 minutes. And it's definitely crunchy. It's very sweet. Like I feel like it's very maple syrupy. It's a bit like, it definitely has that smoke flavor. I feel like maybe something else other than just maple syrup. I don't know, it tastes like bacon. But I feel like it tastes good. Like I like it. No, you don't like it? Oh, I don't like the not as crunchy ones. But I think they're a little bit too smoky. But I also don't know that if you did these in the air fryer, if it would be a lot better than just like in the oven. Because some of them seem like underdone, some of them seem overdone. I like it. Guys, like I said, I am on TikTok. If you guys are not following me there, please go follow me on TikTok. It would really, really, really help me out. Also, I'm creating like exclusive content over there that you're not gonna see anywhere else, like how to make custom beautiful sprinkle blends for only $1 and how to turn like a box cake mix into a gourmet cake. Lots of recipes, lots of videos I'm posting every single day. So check out my TikTok and go follow me there. And I hope you guys liked me trying different TikTok trends. I will see you guys again next time.